Welcome to our site here in beautiful Barcelona, Spain. Our site is actually in the middle of the sailing harbor. That means we're inside the ocean. We have sea view from everywhere and beaches just around the corner. And we can even do great sightseeing in Barcelona. Here in Barcelona in our camp, you have great choices and a great variety of activities. There's cool skateboarding areas as well. The soccer pitch is close by. Everything is close by. You have either the options of choosing courses for the morning or the afternoon. In the afternoons, you can even choose to do sailing, windsurfing or multi-water activities together with the Catalonian Federation of Sailing. All campers here are sleeping in really nice rooms with sea view as well. All the washroom facilities, they are on the main floor, so it's easy to reach. If you join in with a group or as a school, we have for all accompanying adults as well double rooms with ensuite bathroom, which are beautiful because as well they have great sea view. Here at the Bisque, we're very happy because we got a really cool kitchen as well, which is serving us buffet-style meals for lunch, dinner and breakfast. So our camp language is English and Spanish, but for sure we have staff members from all over the globe and as well campers from all over the globe. So I'm sure your children will find somebody who speaks the same language as well. So come with us to our camp here in Barcelona, Spain and enjoy really sunny holidays, going to the beach, swimming and enjoying a great bunch of different activities together with campers from all over the globe.